Now that you've purchased a Westinghouse pressure washer, be sure to check out our other fantastic accessories. Our surface cleaners are the perfect companion to clean large, flat areas such as brick, wood, or concrete. The oscillating turbo nozzle cleans up to 50% faster than the standard nozzles with a PSI of 3600. This professional-grade foam cannon turns soap into thick foam lather for total, even coverage of vehicles, lawn equipment, and outdoor surfaces. This short gun is capable of up to 3600 PSI for maximum cleaning with maximum agility. Our versatile 6-in-1 nozzle is designed to seamlessly switch between rinse, soap, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degree nozzles. The extension wand adjusts from 6 to 9 feet and includes 5 quick connect nozzles, a gutter wand, and a 30-degree angle wand. The 2-in-1 water broom and undercarriage cleaner removes corrosive salt, oil, fuel, and dirt from the exposed underside of any vehicle while the water broom function blasts away grime. Unclutter your gutter with our commercial-grade 13-inch gutter wand. Second-story jet nozzles are a safe and smart solution for any tall task. So don't be caught empty-handed and enhance your home, business, or industrial cleaning power with our Westinghouse pressure washer accessories.